In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a Rush ID template in Canva for digital products. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free and start designing right away. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design and select Custom Size. Enter a square size such as 300 by 300 pixels and open the canvas. After the canvas opens, start by creating the layout for the ID card. Go to the Elements section and add a rectangle shape or frame where the photo will appear. Resize and position the frame on the canvas where you want the ID picture to be placed. Next, add text boxes for the information fields. You can include sections like name, ID number, department, or any other details needed for the ID template. Adjust the fonts, colors, and spacing so the layout looks clean and professional. You can also add design elements such as lines, icons, or shapes to organize the information and make the ID look more structured. If you want to include a logo or branding, upload the logo using the Upload section and place it on the ID design. Once the template looks good, review the layout and make sure all the elements are aligned properly. When your template is ready, click Share and then Download to save the design so it can be reused or sold as a digital product.